Hello, my name is Nick Graham at Kendall Ford of Eugene, and today we're going to be talking about the 2025 Explorer Active. I think my favorite feature on the 2025 Explorers is definitely the Google Assistant. You can look at Google Maps on your Google Assistant, and you can check nearby gas stations, and then you can also connect your phone wirelessly and use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then you can also just press this little button right here, and it's going to be your Google Assistant on the screen. More reliable and more convenient for sure. Feel free to subscribe to this channel for more information, or come down to our showroom floor on Good Pasture Island Road and ask for me, Nick Graham, or check out our website at kendallford.com. Kendall, let's start something great.